Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into a little opportunity video for you today, and just simple process in which, I use CoinsKid.com and just a little bit of logic and common sense to pick these coins. So a lot of people say, oh, you got a crystal ball, how did you know it was going to go up there and hit that resistance and roll and things like that? And we've been doing really, really well since, I think, September, when everyone's ultra bearish. We identified the 5 waves down. We've countered that on, the vast majority of the big coins right there with Bitcoin, XRP. We've got Ethereum as well, which is doing really well. I think Ethereum's in a technical target. I've updated you on Twitter, so I'm just trying to find the opportunities for the CoinsKid crew and outline the reasons why, why the opportunities are in the charts right now. So again, like I said to you, show me the charts to tell you the news. At the minute, I think Bitcoin, crypto, it is in a bull market, and obviously we've had a lovely impulsive move on some of these coins, and right now some of these coins that have done really well are retracing. So I think that the opportunities lie in some of these, the lower caps to catch up the end of the market right here. So we've got 2 pages of opportunities on CoinsKid.com. We've got a 183 entry points here for me, okay, going forward. So to get this particular section up, all you got to do is go to CoinsKid.com. You've got bullish coins, mild bullish coins, and bearish coins. So straight off the bat, I'll just go down the list. I'll pick one coin here, CRV. We'll take a look at that in the charts right now. But this to me is qualifying as an entry point because we're below 50 on the macro greed. Look at that. The macro signal at the moment is bearish, so we are under the water. So what I'm going to do is click on the chart right now. The market cap for that particular coin is 585 million. So we'll take a look at that CRV. Click to the weekly so we get a macro view. Really a simple process, okay? Look at the macro view right now. What we do have on the way down here, okay, there's some kind of bottoming process here, isn't it? Some kind of Wyckoff accumulation. Have we got the spring already? Possibly we've got the spring way back there in November of 2022. But if it does go again, regardless, I'll be buying this coin because it's getting really tight down here. There's a potential rounding process in the EMAs. Look at the gap tightening. You see between the EMAs. So it's sort of bottoming out down here, looking to come back up eventually. So there's an opportunity here. Even if we have some kind of spring down, I'm accumulating this coin, okay? So CRV, I'll definitely buy some of this after this video. So what we've got right now is a God candle back test, and this is how I identify the opportunities in the charts unit. Really is simple. For those of you who've been with the channel for a very long time, I call this a God candle back test. Really simple. On the way down here, we've got this key support and the big God candle that lost that support. And what we've not done, you can clearly see in the moves back up, we've not back tested that. So that's on the radar for me. That's a major level resistance. And in so many videos and updates and Twitter and Discord and things like that, people that sort of the dumbfounded the fact that we run into a level of resistance and then roll, okay? But it's really simple. All it is a God candle back test. It's the same here on the way down. If you take a look, you've got that God candle just there, lost it, came back up, found resistance, come back, made a high low, and then you broke out the ascending triangle, and you absolutely broke out right there. So the clue was in there. You've got the little God candle back test, you've had it, you come back, made the high structural low, and you go again. So I would imagine at this point, because of this God candle breakdown just here and here, we will find resistance. So at some point when this chart does begin to come back up, we'll hit it, make a high low, and then go again. So you could have a beautiful little falling wedge pattern on this particular chart. Let me show you right now. So we've got a tightening range, and you can clearly see at the moment getting this resistance just there, resistance just there, resistance just there, and resistance just there. So again, you could be patient, you could wait. It's entirely up to you. Wait for the breakout of this trend line, then obviously jump into a position because you're getting the confirmed breakout. But I always try and capture the cheapest prices possible. So I think we've got a tightening range here, some kind of falling wedge, haven't we, for this particular coin? We ran into this resistance of confirmation of that being resistance in this trend line, and right now we're coming back. If we make a structural high low at this point, we should start to go again and take out this resistance. I think a close above the 55-week EMA for this particular coin, which is roughly 0.74. We're trading at 0.54 at the moment. I think that would be a confirmation statement that we're about to run to that red line. Really simple, okay? So this is how I find the opportunities, and I post them in the Discord, and I give my targets and things like that. And it doesn't happen overnight. Obviously, it takes time to accumulate in and break out, but we most definitely have got some really tightening range here that if this does start to take this resistance out, I would expect a beautiful run to at least $1.87 for this particular coin, make a higher low, and then we go again. And I think this is a definite retracement in the charts just there because of this God candle breakdown on that key support at $4.02. So if you're looking for a sweet entry point, now could be it on CRV, because from this point here you could be looking at least 240% upside appreciation, and then the long game is a roughly 648%. So it's an opportunity. This is how I find these opportunities going forward, okay? So we've got a really tightening range, break this resistance, we're looking at these targets at least for this particular coin, and those targets are simple. We've got this one, it would be the first point of resistance where I would most definitely take some profit, and then we've got that point just there, so $4.01, and we've got $1.88 simply because of the God candle breakdown. And we've traded so many of these on so many different time frames, and they absolutely play out like an absolute boss, but some take longer than others, and it's really frustrating. So going down the list then, there's another coin here, Balancer. Let's take a look at this. So 230 million market cap. It's had a whopping correction. In the last 30 days, it's down 34%. At the moment, it's sneaking back up against the bull market support just there. Look at that, the 52% level. So what we've got, if we take a look at Balancer, currently trading at $4.25, I believe it is. So at the moment, let's take a look on CoinGecko and see what this project's all about. $4.25. If we click to max, wow, that's at a huge spike and then a massive drop. And what we've not done is backtested that previous support just there as resistance. I think this could be a little opportunity for the CoinsKid crew right now. So what we've got, market trading volume is 9 million, so that's pretty healthy. Fully diluted valuation is 259. Total locked in, so again the total locked in, the TVL value is lower than the market cap. So this is an opportunity in my opinion, but again, nothing I say is financial advice. But Balancer, I will most definitely be looking to add some of that to my long-term portfolio right there for appreciation, and let me show you why. Okay, looking at Balancer on the weekly time frame, straight away you can identify, just like we did, we've just seen that chart on CoinGecko right there. We've got that big level of support just there that we sort of melted through, support, and we've got the big God candle just there. So immediately, that's screaming to me retest basically. So we've got that big God candle breakdown, and what we've done, we've had this huge drop, and right now we're getting really tight at the bottom, and we've not backtested that. So it's a really simple process to find these opportunities. If you care to look, just go to CoinsKid.com, get up with charts, take a look, and you'll see the God candle breakdowns, and even look historical. Look at the historical data of coins that have been around for a very long time. You'll see that if they've come up and made lower highs, which is what a lot of these coins do, initially they come out, they're going to solve every single problem going, and they come up and the best thing since sliced bread, and then they come back down, they come up, make the lower high, and then they drop again. But it's just opportunity, in the next big up cycle and a big push up to ride these waves up. So right now, I'm not saying that this is going to take off into space and make new all-time highs, but it's just an opportunity at this particular level. If you're looking for appreciation in a particular altcoin, there's a reason why this will come up to this eventually. It really is simple. You've got the key level support just there, which was previous resistance, and you've melted through it without backtesting its support. Okay, and eventually I think that this will turn around and come up to it, and that will be a very strong area of profit taking for me in time. And I'll relay that message, and everyone say I'm too bearish and things like that, but I'm just riding the waves here. So 45.28 is an anticipation for this particular project to hit eventually as this thing starts to turn around. Well, you can clearly see here you're getting really tight again, really compressed. So if this does start to pop up to the upside and gets to that target there, this would not surprise me. So I'll buy this and I'll just forget about it. I won't be looking to intraday trade it or whatever. I'll just be looking to hold this until it gets to that particular project target, 45.28, and then I'll sell. Really simple, okay, and take profit at that. So from this point right now, regardless of another drop, I think that this is an opportunity to acquire some of this particular coin Balancer, and I'm looking at 982% appreciation on my entry point right now. So again, this is just a really simple process on CoinsKid.com. It's just a little bit of common sense and logic to find the opportunities going forward when everyone's really bearish and these projects are in the floor and you're getting the compression down here. They tend to start to journey back up into the resistance point, and all you got to do is move to the left and you see the resistance points. For example, here you've got a breakdown just there, God candle just there, you came back up, made the lower high, you broke out, you're hitting the 55. So as soon as you close above this thick red line here, which is a 55 EMA, I think you've got a beautiful confirmation statement right there that you're looking to break back up, and you're looking to backtest that. So again, you could wait for that particular scenario to play out, a close above a 55 EMA, which is currently sitting at $5.10, close above that. I think you come up, make a lower high, high-low, sorry, and then boom, you're up there at 982% appreciation, around about $45 for this particular project. Okay, hope you understand the update. Remember, it's not rocket science, it's just simple technical analysis, risk to reward ratio right there. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.